Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can turn off your Find My iPhone in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So how you can turn off that? Simply just go to your settings of your iPhone and to have to make sure that you just don't connect with any VPN section. So it may cause location problems. So don't connect with any VPN. And also just go to general section and just update the software of iOS in your iPhone, maybe iPad. Simply just go back and just scroll down in your general section and just tap on a transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on a reset. And here you just reset the network settings from here and just go back again back and you simply just search find my iPhone. If you don't find, then you just search it. Find my I just go on it and just tap on that and here you just tap on find my iPhone and there's three options. So I'm gonna turn off that section and also turn off that you just have to just verify your Apple ID, so it gonna turn it off. So make sure that you just know the password of your Apple ID and also the know also Apple ID is the sign in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So it's gonna turn off my iPhone in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So in the settings I'm gonna turn off just like that. It's gonna turn it off of finding my iPhone. So you see that how you can turn off my iPhone, find my iPhone tool, just tap on that and verify my Apple ID and it gonna turn it off. So that's the method you just turn off find my iPhone in your iPhone, maybe iPad. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.